Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Meddi from Aeronautical Engineering. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about my concept video of heat and mass transfer, which I took a topic on general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinates. We will see what is meant by heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinates. Here we go. What is the basic form of heat conduction equation? The basic form of heat conduction equation is obtained by applying the first law of thermodynamics, principle of conservation of energy. Here we consider a body, a small element. Here the Qx, where the heat is supplied to the body, and where when we supply to a body, it generates some heat in that body, and the output is Qx plus dy. Similarly, in y direction, the Qy is also going to add to the body, and similarly it will also come like Qx, Qy plus dy, and then in the direction of z, the Qz is coming into the body and it is coming out by Qy plus dy. Consider a differential element in Cartesian coordinates. The energy balance for the differential element can be written as follows: rate of conduction at x, y, z minus rate of heat conduction at x plus dy, y plus dy, z plus dz, plus rate of heat generation inside the element equal to rate of change of energy content of the element. First of all, before going to calculate the entire derivation, we will simplify it. First of all, we will calculate the rate of heat conduction at different directions. We have taken in three directions: x and y and z. After that, we will calculate the heat rejection, heat coming out from the element at heat conduction at x plus dx, y plus dy, z plus dz, place. And when we are supplying some energy into a body, it will generate some heat internally. This is rate of heat generation inside the body. After that, the molecules in the body will change, that is rate of change of energy content of the element. What is the meaning of each term in the equation? What is heat generation? In first term in the above equation represents the rate of heat energy coming into the element at x, y and z planes. The second term represents the rate of heat energy coming out of the element at x plus dy, y plus dz. The second term represents the rate of heat energy coming out of the element at x plus dy, y plus dy and z plus dz planes. The third term represents the rate of heat generation inside the element. Now, what is heat generation? A medium conducting heat energy may be involve the conversion of mechanical, electrical, nuclear or chemical energy into heat energy. For example, when a resistance wire conducts electricity, it converts electrical energy into heat energy at a rate of I square R, where I is a current and R is the electrical resistance of the wire. Now, what is heat generation? A medium conducting heat energy may involve the conversion of mechanical, electrical, nuclear energy into heat energy. Similarly, heat is generated in exothermic chemical reaction in a medium. The reaction may also be an endothermic reaction. In such a case, the heat generation term will become a negative quantity. Likewise, nuclear fission process in a nuclear reactor generates a large amount of heat in fuel elements. Heat is also generated in a nuclear fusion reaction. For example, hydrogen atoms get fused into helium, making the sun a large nuclear reactor. Derivation of heat conduction equation. In general, the heat conduction through a medium is multidimensional, that is, heat transfer by conduction happens in all three directions x, y, and z. In some cases, the heat conduction in one particular direction is much higher than that in other direction. In such cases, we approximate the heat transfer problems as being one dimensional, neglecting heat conduction in other directions. Now we will develop the governing differential equation for heat conduction. Consider again the differential equation of volume dV is equal to dx into dy into dz in Cartesian coordinate system. Writing the mathematical form of the energy balance equation for the element: q dot x minus q dot x plus dx plus q dot y minus q dot y plus dy plus q dot z minus q dot z plus dz plus heat generated equal to dE by dt. Rate of heat generation within the element: E dot gen equal to E dot generation into dx into dy into dz equal to E dot generation into dV. The rate of change of energy content of the element: dE by dt equal to dt d by dt rho dV into C into T. Or we can write it as dE by dt equal to rho dV dot into C into dt by dt. Now q dot x minus q dot x plus dx equal to minus dou by dou x qx into dou dx. Q dot x minus q dot x plus dx equal to minus dou by dou x into minus k dou y into dou z dt by dx into dx. Qx minus qx plus dx equal to dou by dou x into k dou t by dou x into dy into dz into dx. Similarly, qy minus qy plus dy equal to dou y into k dou t by dou y dou x into dou z into dou y. Similarly, we can simply write in z direction. Now plug in the above terms in the energy balance equation and divide equation by dx into dy into dz. We will get it dou by dou into k dou t by dou x plus dou by dou y k into dou t by dou y plus dou by dou z into k dou t by dou z plus heat generation equal to rho c dt and dt. Yeah, this is the general heat conduction in coordinate system. Yeah, we will see in special cases. In a steady state refers to a stable condition that does not change over time. Time variation of temperature is 0. Hence, dou by dou x into k dou t by dou x plus dou by dou y into k dou t by dou y into plus dou by dou z k dou t by dou z plus heat generation equal to 0. B. Uniform properties. If the material is homogeneous and isentropic, the thermal conductivity of the material would be constant. Dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square plus dou square t by dou z square plus heat generation by k equal to 0. In no heat generation, when there is no heat generation inside the element, the differential heat conduction equation will become dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square plus dou square t by dou z square equal to 0. One dimensional flow form of equation. If the conduction in any one direction is dominance over heat conduction in other directions, dou square t by dou x square equal to 0. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Oh my god. What happened? What happened to you?